the cryptocurrency market is showing signs of renewed activity, with several projects gaining traction due to their unique advantages. Among them, Solana, Cardano, and Dogecoin stand out for different reasons. Solana continues to lead due to its high transaction speeds and low fees, which make it ideal for decentralized finance and gaming platforms. The network is undergoing several updates, including the upcoming Firedancer and Alpenglow upgrades, which aim to improve resilience and transaction finality. These developments suggest that Solana is positioning itself to handle increasing demand and scale efficiently. However, the success of these upgrades is not guaranteed, and any delay or malfunction could impact the network's performance. Investors are watching the rollout of Firedancer closely, as it could determine Solana's ability to maintain its competitive edge. Cardano, on the other hand, is focusing on security and governance improvements. The platform has a reputation for being methodical in its development approach, which has helped it maintain a stable user base. Recent updates to its smart contract platform and governance model are expected to enhance transparency and user control. These changes could attract more institutional interest, especially as regulatory clarity improves in certain markets. However, Cardano's slower development pace could leave it vulnerable if faster-moving competitors outpace its adoption rate. The next key signal to watch is whether Cardano's governance enhancements lead to a measurable increase in on-chain activity and developer engagement. Dogecoin is gaining. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Attention due to its expanding use in payment systems and strong community support. Despite being a meme coin, Dogecoin's adoption in real-world transactions has grown significantly. This trend is supported by increasing merchant adoption and higher trading volumes. The coin's high liquidity makes it attractive for traders who are looking for quick movements in price. However, Dogecoin's lack of fundamental infrastructure could limit its long-term viability. The next signal to monitor is whether Dogecoin's payment adoption leads to a sustained increase in transaction volume and merchant partnerships. The broader market is showing a shift in investor sentiment, with many looking for assets that can withstand the next market cycle. Solana, Cardano, and Dogecoin each represent different aspects of the crypto ecosystem: high performance, secure infrastructure, and community-driven adoption. While each has strengths, they also face challenges that could affect their long-term success. For example, Solana's focus on scalability could face competition from other high-speed blockchains, and Cardano's slower updates may not keep up with market demands. Dogecoin's reliance on community sentiment makes it more volatile and less predictable. The next bull run is expected to bring significant price movements, and investors are seeking assets that can capitalize on this growth. The key question is whether these projects can maintain their current momentum and continue to innovate. For Solana, the success of Firedancer and Alpenglow will be crucial indicators of its ability to scale and remain competitive. For Cardano, the impact of governance and smart contract upgrades will determine its appeal to developers and institutions. For Dogecoin, the expansion of payment usage and merchant adoption will be key signals of its growing utility. Market analysts suggest that the next bull run could be driven by increased institutional adoption and regulatory progress. This environment could benefit projects that have strong fundamentals and clear use cases. Solana's performance in DeFi and gaming, Cardano's governance model, and Dogecoin's payment adoption are all factors that could influence their performance in the coming months. However, the market is still highly unpredictable, and external factors such as macroeconomic conditions and regulatory changes could impact their trajectories. Investors are advised. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. To closely monitor these projects and assess their own risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. The key signals to watch include the success of Solana's upgrades, the impact of Cardano's governance changes, and the growth of Dogecoin's payment adoption. These developments could provide valuable insights into the future of the market and help investors make informed decisions. The next bull run may bring new opportunities for investors, but it also comes with risks. The success of these projects will depend on their ability to innovate, adapt to market demands, and maintain user trust. As the market continues to evolve, it will be important to track these key signals and evaluate their impact on the broader crypto landscape.